Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. I am so excited for this segment because this is summertime. This is friends and family. This is entertaining, which I love to do. And our friends at Tops have made it super easy for us. So this is all about options, okay? Today I am going to make you a strawberry lemonade drink, which is super fun, but just know, my friends, we have options, as you can see up here. One of the main staple ingredients in this is the ginger beer. I just kind of use that in every drink, but get as many different options as you want from Tops and just have some fun with it. So we're gonna start out with pouring a little bit of ginger beer here at the bottom. And then I crushed up some strawberry for my strawberry lemonade drink. We're gonna add more strawberries in the end. We're also gonna add some ice. So I'm gonna add my lemon, my lemonade, of course. I did salt the rim. Anything with lemon, I love a little salt, but you can also use some sugar. I'm gonna add a little bit of mint, squeeze some lime in there, throw some more strawberries in, of course, and then fill the rest up with ginger beer. These are super simple. Again, add sugar to your rim. There is grapefruit options. There's bloody orange. There's so many different flavors, so many different options. And then don't forget your ice. Because for those hot summer days, we are gonna need some drinks to cool us down to go with these great barbecue meals. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe and some other options. Enjoy.